Good evening to you. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm going to continue reading in the book of Matthew, chapter 6. I'll read verse 16 to the very end. It says, "Whenever you fast, do not put on a gloomy face as the hypocrites do, for they neglect their appearance so that they will be noticed by men when they are fasting. Truly I say to you, they have their reward in full. But you, when you fast, anoint your head and wash your face, so that your fasting will not be noticed by men, but by your Father who is in secret in heaven. And your Father who sees what is done in secret will reward you. Do not store for yourself treasures on earth, where moths and rust destroy and where thieves break in and steal, but store for yourself treasures in heaven, where neither moth nor rust destroy, and where thieves do not break in or steal. For where your treasure is, there your heart will also be. The eye is the lamp of the body. So then, if your eye is clear, your whole body will be full of light. But if your eye is bad, your whole body will be full of darkness. If then the light that is in you is darkness, how great is the darkness? No one can serve two masters, for either he will hate the one and love the other, or he will be devoted to one and despised by the other. You cannot serve God and wealth. For this reason I say to you, do not be worried about your life, as to what you will eat or what you will drink, nor for your body, as to what you will put on. Is not life more than food, and the body more than clothing? Look at the birds of the air, that they do not sow, nor do they reap, nor gather into barns, and yet your heavenly Father feeds them. Are you not worth much more than they? And who of you by being worried can add a single hour to your life? Boy, is that not true. I used to worry all the time. I used to worry about my grades and classes. I worried so much I ate a hole in my intestines. Anyway, and why are you worried about clothing? Observe how the lilies of the field grow. They do not toil, nor do they spin. Yet I say to you that not even Solomon in all his glory clothed himself like one of these. But if God so clothed the sky, the grass of the field, which is alive today and tomorrow is thrown into the furnace, will he not much more clothe you? You of little faith. That was my problem. I didn't have faith. Do not worry then, saying what we will eat, or what we will drink, or what we will wear for clothing. For the Gentiles eagerly seek these things. For your heavenly Father knows that you need all these things. But seek first his kingdom and his righteousness, and all these things will be added to you. It's not a prosperity gospel, right? It's that God, Christ's salvation is far more valuable and important than all those other worldly possessions. Do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will care for itself. Each day has enough trouble of its own. Boy, is that not true. So in this week, what we'll be looking at is we'll be looking at chapter 9, which has to deal with solutions. The important thing about that is to understand the concentrations, how to convert different concentrations. I have a video that hopefully will be helpful to you. If it's not, please let me know. And for the lab, it's basically a dry lab. You're just going to look up the names of some of these household chemicals. Just kind of get you familiar with chemistry, and that, these are basically nothing more than everyday chemicals, and they're chemicals that can affect your life, hopefully in a good way. I apologize for the tardiness of sending my email, of reading your emails. Sometimes when I come home on Friday, sometimes I forget to look at emails on Saturday because I get kind of caught up in being a husband and a father. So I apologize for that. Please forgive me. If you have any questions, please let me know. I hope I'm helpful to those who I send emails back to. Sorry, it's kind of late at night and I'm tired. I should do this earlier at night. But if there's anything I can do to improve this class, please let me know. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you and have a great week.